Hello and welcome to the single greatest business enhancement tool you're ever going to come across in your business career. Here at Advice for Business, we passionately believe that many business owners are spending way too much time working in their business rather than on it. They're working way too many hours and not achieving the rewards they desire. The net effect is that their personal lives, their health, and their relationships are seriously and adversely affected. The good news, here at Advice for Business, we can help. We've developed a proven set of strategies that can take your business to the next level and give you the income and lifestyle that you deserve. It might be that you're struggling with cash flow. It might be that you're not making the profits that you need to make out of your business. Or it might be you're just working too damn hard because you haven't got the right people and staff around you. It's a really simple process to break this chain, and it starts with the Business MOT. It's a really simple 15-minute questionnaire that you can fill out on our website, which will help you define where you are in your business right now, where you're going to, and how you can join the drops. Once we've got them answers, we'll create a report for you and we'll sit down with you and talk to you about how you can create a fantastic business, and on the back of that, a fantastic lifestyle for you and your family. It could be working fewer hours, it could be lots more money, or it could be simply having that fantastic business that you've always dreamed of. So if you're tired of having a business that owns you and you want a business you own yourself, complete the MOT now, and I look forward to working with you to grow a fantastic business.